everyone, it's Terry and Rich.
From the Greater Collier Kiwanis Club of Greater Collier, and today is Water Safety Day,
International.
Water Safety Day.
Yep.
And our club has donated over 720 door alarms to families in the community. And so we thought for you today to demonstrate how to put a door alarm on your door. So here's the door alarm.
And we have a 4-year-old grandson who comes over from time to time, and we want to know if he should try to escape and get outside.
Right, because he's bound to do that.
Right.
So as you see, it comes in two parts, and when it's turned on, once they're separated, you get the sound.
It's really loud.
Annoying it. And we're going to attach to the door with two-sided sticky tape.
Now our club still has some available, so if you need one, just message us on Facebook and we'll work something out to get it to you, okay? Unfortunately, in 2020, there have been 22 child drownings already, and most of the drownings occur in children ages 1 to 3. Most of the time they get out undetected by the family, so that's why we need layers of protection, and these door alarms can really help you to know when the child leaves the house.
Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is apply the double-sided tape to each half of the door alarm.
We also donate swim lessons through Aquaball, our fundraiser, and through our donors who are so generous to donate funds to us. And we have paid for over 240 people to learn how to swim, children and moms. So if you also need swim lessons once the pools open up, we would love to help you to fund swim lessons for your children to know how to swim. Okay, I'm taping you.
All right, so I have the tape already off here on one side, stuck to each half. And now I can take off the tape on the other side. But first I'm going to do my placement. There's a small gap in the door so that it's not going to line up evenly. So I'm going to put my receiver end on first. Right at the edge. So you see, it's not going to quite match up. But once I turn it on, it's still not going to, there's still enough tension there. Once I move it away, it will, you can have either one of those annoying sounds. So now I'll take the tape off the other one and put as close as I can. And hold them down for about 30 seconds or so they are stuck to the door. So now when I turn this on, we should have no sound at all. And now when I unlock the door, and open the door, and go up.
You can even know when your cat goes out.
So when I open the door, we know that the door's been opened. That will tell us if our grandchildren have gotten out of the house, undetected by us if we're in another part of the house. And this is a great layer of protection because there are many drownings that occur because kids get out of the house without being detected by their parents. It's a sad but true fact.
Yep. So, have a great night, and remember to be safe around the water.
And always watch your kids or grandkids because they're very quick and drowning is silent.
That's right. So take care, and hopefully you can attend Aquaball on Saturday, September 26th at the Hilton Naples, and help us to fund drowning, anything having to do with drowning, swim lessons,
door alarms,
education, Stewie the Duck. We're happy to help our community. Okay?
Right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good night.
Good night.
Okay.
Okay.
Turn that off. Take it off and just leave it.
It's just Chuck watching, but that's okay. It'll get replayed.
Okay.